Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com coming at you today for another shave review video. We are looking at the brand new Rex Sentry Slant Razor. Let's get started. All right, we're gonna start from right here because I'm excited to try a soap. I'm gonna break my own rules here slightly. We're gonna review two things at once. Usually I like to just review one thing at a time, isolate my variables, solve for X. But today we're gonna review two things at once, only because I've used the Sentry many times at home, so I'm not exactly reviewing that. I'm just really wanting to share it with you. We're going to be looking at the ZINGARI. This is the Royal. And we've had ZINGARI at the store for months now. Very good soap brand that we've been happy to have, enjoy having our customers like it. We like their brand. We like their product. And now I'm really excited to be able to try it out on camera. I asked one of our staff members what was the top selling, and she said Royal, so I grabbed Royal. It was also, I remember when we did the Spotlight video months ago, it was one of the ones I liked the smell of a lot. So that's good. And this one has notes of leather, wine, and spices. Very nice. Already can smell it from here. Ooh, I really do like that. So I put a little bit of the Razor Emporium PreShave on. Now we'll go ahead and make a lather. Already telling you a little more water. Usually a sign of a good soap is you need water because you want to have lots of soap, lots of product, not lots of water. In fact, sometimes the drier the soap, the better, right? All the moisture's out. So you're getting all product and you have to add the moisture back. Very nice smell. Very nice fragrance. Easy to lather up. I'm of course getting lather on my black shirt. What else would I be doing? I'm one of those people that have got facial hair going pretty low on my neck, so I have to go down pretty low. Some people's hair stops right around their Adam's apple area. Mine does not. It goes south of the equator, so to speak. Hopefully I did a decent job cleaning up my shirt. Looks like it. Okay, cool. Yeah, great lather. Lathered very easily, and I can already feel it nice and soft and cushiony, so it's going to get us ready for our shave. All right, the Rex Sentry. This is our 3-piece slant razor. So if you like the console, you like the idea of a slant razor from Rex, we listened. And we took the adjustable out, and it's now just standard 3 pieces. So I'll show you those here, and we'll do a little blade loading exercise. Today we're going to be using my go-to for reviews, my go-to in general, PermaSharp. Grab this, one-handed kind of, carefully unwrap. Some people, they go so fast they end up damaging the edge. Be careful as you're unwrapping that wax. Place the blade onto the cap. Place the guard over the cap. I always like to just kind of, sandwich it together. And now I can load my handle, and everything tightens down and looks good. Now, the first thing you're going to notice is a slant razor. What is a slant razor? We've talked about this before, but we'll quickly go over it. Slant razors come from the idea of a guillotine. I know, scary, right? You're you're slicing through hair, not chopping the hair perpendicular. It is more efficient. It's almost like doing 2 passes at once, and It can deliver a closer, more comfortable shave for those guys or gals out there with more coarse hair, sensitive skin. Let's give it a shot. Very nice. And I have probably a solid 3 days of growth to go through here. Making quick and easy work out of it. Easy, smooth, efficient. The idea of the Sentry is to kind of approximate the console around setting 4. Stainless steel, made in USA. Oh wow, it's just so easy. Even on my neck. Usually my neck, I have to, you know, an adjustable, I'll dial down. On a non-adjustable, I need to go slower, but this is just so easy. Practicing some skin stretching here, of course. So I just filled up the lather holes on one side. We'll switch over. Honestly, that's one thing I love about the Rex razors. I know I'm biased because I'm the man behind them, but the lather slots don't really, they don't get clogged up and won't affect, you know, you to keep on shaving. You can shave even if they're clogged. They'll keep on shaving. I am still fighting away a little irritation from one of the last shaves we did for another video. This little patch down here has not been happy the last couple days. Just goes to show, guys. Get out of your routine, you try something new. But we'll finish up this other side. These will be shipping out Black Friday. Very easy shave, you know. We had comments from the ambassador and envoy that they were more of, you know, blade feel kind of razors, blade positive, and so we designed the console and now the Sentry to be more blade neutral. And if you've been scared about a slant razor, don't be. Especially this one. Slant razors may look intimidating, and some of them out there I have used. In fact, we did a whole video you can go watch called like the Slant Showdown. We used like 4 or 5 different slant razors. There's definitely some that can be more blade feely and more aggressive. I describe the Sentry as efficient. It is super efficient. It will make short work of going through even the toughest and coarsest of hair, but I think it delivers a clean, close, comfortable, smooth shave, and I think it's perfect for somebody who's got that sensitive skin, coarse hair kind of dilemma. Lifetime warranty on all the Rex products. Feeling great. Feeling great. Good shave. Like this ZINGARI, man. This did really good. Really like the fragrance on this. Good stuff. Let's throw on some of their Splash. Give it a good shake. So it's got a kind of milky consistency. Definitely feels more on a balm kind of level in terms of it doesn't have a lot of alcohol sting. Definitely feels nice though. Take just a quick look at some of the ingredients. There's quite a lot of ingredients. Witch hazel, sugarcane, citrus extract. There is some jojoba alcohol, oat bran. I mean, there's a lot in here. There's a lot, but it definitely feels nice and light and refreshing on your skin. It's not a heavy, it's not like a thick cream, it's not a alcohol-y splash, so definitely a good product. I like that. I enjoyed my Sentry shave, not Century, Sentry. And we came up with the name Sentry because it's kind of like a guard. And, you know, we've had this whole diplomatic ranks with ambassador and envoy and consul, and I'm sticking with it at least for a while. And so this is Sentry. It's like a guard, and it's going to guard you. It's going to guard your face. It's going to take care of you, protect you, right? So that's all I got. Had a good shave today. Check out the new Sentry razor from Rex Supply Company. Tell me about your experience with slant razors or with ZINGARI Man, or anything else you want to tell me in the comments. And if you do leave a comment below, you're entered in to win this, the official Razor Emporium black and blue t-shirt. That's all we got, guys, today. Thanks for tuning in. Please like this video if you liked it. Subscribe to our channel. Click the bell to get notified every time we put up a new video. And we will see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.